Hello guys, welcome to a new section of ROS tutorial. In the last section we saw how to make our workspace in ROS, and in this section we will see how to make your first project. According to ROS is package, and also to make our first node, that is our first ROS program. Also I am just summing up the process of workspace creation because many of them get errors and all. So I hope I can just make it easy for you. Welcome to the section. Okay, so first of all we can create our workspace folder. You can decide where you want to make the folder. So I like to make it on our make it on my home folder. Okay, and now here I am just creating a new folder. I can make it from terminal. Okay, this listing, yeah, these are the folders on my home. I'm just giving the command make directory mkdir, giving the name catkin underscore ws. This is standard notation, so you can give any name, no issues. Okay, let's click on enter. Yeah, my catkin underscore ws folder is here, and also I want to make a folder inside that folder, that is source folder. Okay, so I am moving to that folder, catkin ws, and I am making another folder on that, that is mkdir src. Okay, yeah, now we have another folder on catkin underscore ws, that is src. Now we want to make this catkin underscore ws folder as our workspace. For that, just type catkin space init. Okay, and click on enter. Yeah, and you can see workspace configuration appears valid. And if you are not created src folder inside, then you will see some errors here. No issues. You can just create this src, and once more you can init it. Then this workspace configuration appears valid message will come, and you can see source space exists. And for now you can just ignore this errors, no issues. You can see our workspace is initialized in this home and this is catkin underscore ws folder. Now I am moving to my src folder inside catkin underscore ws for making our new package. So type src, and for creating a package just follow this command. Okay, catkin space create pkg space our package name. I'm just giving hello underscore pkg. You can give any name here, no issues, and space. Now you want to give the dependencies. Okay, for that just type catkin dps, that is dependencies, and space, and then you want to give the package you want to include. I need ROS cpp. Okay, here I have given ROS cpp because we are going to create a cpp node. Okay, so we can click on enter. Yeah, now you can see here successfully created package files in home, and it is catkin ws. Okay, catkin workspace src hello. We can check it. Yeah, you can see here hello package. Okay, and also inside hello package you can see an src here. Here we want to put our source code or no. Now go back. Okay, now we are going to open our workspace in our IDE. You can use any IDE. Here I am using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other IDEs like Sublime or Eclipse, no issues. For me, Visual Studio Code is so handy. And for opening the folder, you can go to File, Open Folder, or you can just go to our folder. See, I am just importing the whole folder, so I can just drag and drop. Okay, yeah. And you can see here catkin underscore ws and src. Inside that you can see our another src folder. Here we want to create our node, and also you can see another two important files. You can see make list.txt and package.xml. Okay, Okay guys, then what is the need of package.xml? Okay, in the package.xml we can specify a lot of extra information for ROS to treat this as a package. You can see here, you can change the name of the package, hello package, and that we don't want to change it. It is same as hello.package, and you can change the version number. I'm just saying that 0.0.0.1. You can give any number, you can, no problem. And also description of our package, and you can see the maintainer email address and name. You can just edit it with my name, Anas AP, and also email. I'm just giving aniltech8 at gmail.com. Yeah, and now you can see you can give license here. I'm just giving MIT license. Like this you can just go through the whole document and make changes accordingly. That will suit you. And okay, I'm just giving MIT license, and going down you can see the author. I can just uncomment it and type something here. Yeah, the author is also me, Anas AP. Okay, and also email address you can give here. Okay, I need to take it at gmail.com. Okay, and coming down you can see these are the packages we included. Catkin build, you can see build dependency Catkin, and also ROS CPP. We have imported it while on the ROS terminal, and if you had missed some packages while making it on the terminal, then you can add it here, like Python dependency and all, no issues. And if you have no exporting etc., then you can just delete it. And also you can just remove the comments here, no issues, and make it more handy for you. Yeah, you can just remove unwanted things from here. Okay, and you can just save it. And what is CMake list.txt? In the CMake list.txt, we want to define what kind of executables we have, and also a lot of other stuffs. So this is the actual recipe to build a C++ node. Okay, so before specifying how to build, we can make our first CPP file. Okay, we want to make it on our SRC folder. You can see the SRC here, and right click and make a new file, and just giving hello.cpp. You can give any name there, no issues. This is the name of your node. Okay, and here I am going to make a small CPP program to print hello world. So just type including library hash include iostream dot h and int main. Yeah, and here inside cd cout hello world. Okay, you can give anything here, anything there. Return 0. Okay, that's all for our program. Now I am just saving this. Okay, now yeah, no errors, right? Okay, now even though there are errors, we can change it later, no issue. Please note one thing, that there will be no SRC folder if you are using another packages other than CPP like Python and all. You will not have an SRC folder here. So in order to build this, we want to go to CMake list.txt and tell it this is our target for our output. So we want to go to build. We can see here, yeah, build. Under that you can see declare a C++ library. Yeah, declare a C++ executable. Okay, we want to uncomment this. Yeah, and executable project name and node. Yeah, here we want to give our node name. So I am giving hello.cpp, and here we want to specify our project name. Okay, our project name is, I am just giving hello, and this executable will be named as hello. No issues there. And coming down you can see specify library to link. Yeah, we need a C++ library, and also I am just uncommenting this. Yeah, and here we want to give our project name. Okay, my project name is hello. Okay, just give hello there because we had given hello here. So same name here, and also everything is written there. And if you need new compile system, you can just uncomment this. If you need new compile version, then you can just uncomment this. Okay, and you can just save it. Okay, so now we want to go to our terminal and we want to build, and we want to call catkin build for building our package. Before that, we can just check our folder here. Yeah, is catkin underscore ws src hello package. Inside that src, another src, here we have our c++ folder. And when we initialize the workspace, we have a folder here, but you can't see it, it is in hidden mode. You can show hidden files and you can see catkin tools here. Because of catkin tools, you can use the catkin command and all. And if you have find any error like catkin command not found, you want to install the catkin tools. For that, before that, you want to install pip tools and all, that you can simply install using your command line. Okay, and just showing. Okay, now go into our folder. Yeah, please take the terminal. So now we are inside catkin underscore ws and src. From here we can call catkin build. Okay, catkin space build. Okay, now it is building our new package. One of two packages succeeded, one package failed. What's the error? We can check it here. Okay guys, here you can see an error expected. Yeah, bracket got identified with text as on cmake list txt dot. Okay, fourth line, you can check it what happened there. Oh, sorry guys, I had uncommented this. Not that we want to uncomment this, add compile options. That's my mistake, so sorry. And okay, now we can go and once more try to build. So type catkin build. Okay, now we can check it. Okay, you can see here one more error is here. 0 of 1 package succeeded. What is the error? One package has failed. Yeah, iostream.h. We can check it. What is the problem there? Go to our hello cpp hash include iostream.h. So sorry guys, we don't need .h here. My mistake. And saving this and going back to terminal and again catkin build. Okay, yeah, all one package succeeded. Now we can run this package, and also before that we want to source this in the setup.bash. Okay, for that, and setup.bash is inside our devl folder. Yeah, you can see here inside catkin workspace devl, inside that setup.bash. Okay, okay, so right, I'm just going back, and here we want to write source catkin workspace slash devl. Okay, elephant folder and setup.bash. Okay, click on enter. Okay, now it is sourced there. Okay, now just open a new terminal. Yeah, and just type roscore. Okay, yeah, now our ROS service is started, and just minimize it. Okay, now we are going to run our program. Okay, so write ROS run our package name hello package pkg. Okay, and space our node name. A node name is hello. Okay, so node or our executable name. Here our name is hello. Okay, just click on enter. Yeah, you can see here hello world. Maybe you will get an error that the package not found. Then go to gedit, just type gedit tilde symbol slash dot bash rc. Yeah, now this file will open, and from go to the bottom and you can see I have sourced my workspace here. There you can give the name to your development and setup.bash file. Here I have given home, my username, that is my Ubuntu's username, and my package name, and all you can see here. Actually, this is the old workspace name of mine, and I can just change it with my new workspace, that is catkin underscore ws slash devl. Okay, and I can also just echo the path. if I echo the path, it will show the default path name and also our new path. You can just see it here. I'm taking a new terminal. You can see it will be echoed here. This is Anirudh Catkin WS. This is the new path and this is the old path. Home Anirudh NuCat SRC hello package. So I hope you enjoyed this section, guys. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this section, feel free to contact me. Thank you.